Your mortgage is gone. The house is yours, completely paid off. So why do you owe $500 a month for the next 30 years? Because nobody tells you the truth about what homeownership actually costs when the bank stops calling. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what that $500 a month bill is, why 83% of homeowners get blindsided by it, and the calculation you should have made before celebrating your mortgage payoff. Let's start with Mark and Susan. Mark and Susan are 62 and 60, both retired. They paid off their mortgage last year. $1,400 a month gone. The plan? Use that money to travel, help the grandkids, upgrade the kitchen. 2 weeks later, their furnace started dying. Replacement, $3,200. 4 weeks after that, a roof inspector told them, "You've got 3 to 5 years left. Full replacement will cost $12,000 to $14,000. Mark looked at Susan and said, "I thought we were done paying for this house." They weren't. 83% of Canadian homeowners aren't budgeting for the biggest post-mortgage expense they'll face. Experts recommend budgeting 1 to 3% of your home's value annually for maintenance. For a $650,000 home, that's $6,500 to $19,500 per year, $540 to $1,625 per month, every month, forever. Your mortgage was the payment you saw coming. This one shows up in your walls. If this is hitting different, subscribe. We break down the real Canadian numbers every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Your HVAC system 15 to 20 years lifespan. Repair $300 to $1,500. Full replacement $5,000 to $10,000. It dies in January when you need it most. Emergency charges apply. $6,500 becomes real fast. Your roof, 20 to 25 year lifespan. Repair, $800 to $3,000. Full replacement, $8,000 to $14,000. One bad winter, water damage in your attic. That $8,000 becomes unavoidable. Your plumbing, burst pipes from freezing, $500 to $2,000. But if your house was built before 1980, you don't have a burst pipe problem. You have a complete repiping problem. $5,000 to $20,000. The pattern, Statistics Canada found 7.3% of Canadian homes need major repairs right now. Another 24% need minor repairs. Nearly 1 in 3 homes with something that needs fixing. Most homeowners didn't budget for it. Here's what Mark and Susan didn't calculate. Mortgage, $0, paid off. Property tax, $450 per month. Insurance, $150 per month. Utilities, $250 per month. Maintenance reserve, 1.5% annually, $625 per month. Total, $1,475 per month. Their old mortgage was $1,400 per month. They didn't save money. They swapped one bill for another. And the maintenance reserve? That's perfect world budgeting. When the roof actually needs replacement now, not in 5 years, they either pull $12,000 from retirement savings, take on new debt, or ignore it and watch water damage destroy everything. Mark chose option 1. No vacation that year. Less help for the grandkids. Action 1. Know your roof age. 18 plus years? Get a professional inspection. $150 to $300. If replacement is 3 to 5 years away, start saving $200 to $250 per month now. Action 2. Know your HVAC age. 12 plus years? Service it annually. $150, not every 5 years. Budget for replacement within 3 to 8 years. $400 to $500 per month into a dedicated account. Action 3. Build an emergency fund. Most homeowners have zero. You need 3 to 6 months of housing expenses sitting aside. For a $650,000 home, $4,500 to $9,000. That $12,000 roof bill doesn't blindside you. It comes from a plan, not panic. Your mortgage isn't your housing cost. It's just your mortgage cost. Your actual housing cost is $1,200 to $1,800 per month, even with zero mortgage. If you're planning to retire assuming housing costs drop, you're making Mark and Susan's mistake. Housing costs don't drop, they shift. Drop a comment. What's your biggest home repair surprise? Real cost, real story. Then subscribe. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern. We break down the numbers homeowners need to hear but nobody talks about.